പ്രിയങ്കരനായ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി ശ്രീ പിണറായി വിജയൻ അവർകളെ ഏറ്റവും ആദരവോടുകൂടി ക്ഷണിക്കുകയാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിനോടൊപ്പം മറ്റ് വിശിഷ്ട വ്യക്തികളെയും ഇതിനായി ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു.
Today marks a historic milestone in Kerala's journey of industrial advancement. It is both a privilege and an honor to stand here as we lay the foundation stone of the Adani Logistics Park in Kalamassery, a project that embodies vision, progress, and shared aspirations for Kerala's vibrant future. This initiative is being developed under the Invest in Kerala program, a shining example of progressive policy and inclusive development. During the recent Invest Kerala Global Summit, our Managing Director, Shri Kannan Adani, expressed it briefly. Kerala is emerging as a model of development and progress, and we at the Adani Group are honored to be part of this journey. These words are more than a statement. This is a commitment to invest in Kerala, to innovate for its growth, and to integrate it into the global logistics and economic ecosystem. With the Trivandrum International Airport, Vizhinjam International Seaport, and state-of-art logistic parks, The Adani Group is building a robust multimodal infrastructure ecosystem in Kerala, seamlessly connecting air, sea, and land to power the state's economic future. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone footprint in Kerala is more than a presence. It's a statement of intent. In less than 1 year since the inauguration of Vizhinjam Port, India's first fully automated deep water port, we are already going to cross a milestone of 1 million containers. That's not just a number, it's a reflection of Kerala's unmatched potential. This achievement is powered by a unique, merging, exceptional talent, technology, 600 kilometers of strategic coastline, and a very close collaboration with the government. When we envisioned the next chapter of our expansion, we asked ourselves, where does opportunity meet readiness? The answer clearly is Kochi, particularly Kalamassery. Kalamassery is just not a location. It's a gateway where roads and rail unite to carry the commerce and where skies are open to the global market. Its exceptional multimodal connectivity makes it natural nucleus for logistics poised to become Kerala's growth engine. The proactive policies of Kerala's government, combined with strong incentives and swift infrastructure development, have created an environment where industrial dreams can flourish. The collaboration between public and private sectors here is not merely functional, it is transformational. At this point, I must acknowledge the general leadership and guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Pinarayi Vijayan, and the steadfast support of his administration and officers. The government's unwavering commitment by balancing growth and inclusivity and its focus on creating an investor-friendly ecosystem has been central to enabling transformative projects like this. For us at the Adani Group, this collaborative spirit is both reassuring and inspiring. Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister. As we look at the evolving landscape of logistics and warehousing in India, the numbers speak by themselves. India's warehousing sector is expanding at a compound annual growth of 16% year on year. This is the way we move, this is the way we store, and this is the way we manage the goods across the country. It is with great pride that I introduce our upcoming Adani Logistic Park in Kalamassery, spanning over 70 acres, covering 1.3 million square feet with a target investment of over 600 crores. This facility is designed to be a landmark in Kerala's logistics landscape. This is a logistic hub built for the world, connecting Kalamassery to the global markets and making Kerala an even more attractive trade destination. Inspired by the visionary leadership of our chairman, Shri Gautam Adani, we are driven by a purpose to become a world-class leader in businesses that enrich lives and contribute meaningfully to our nation's growth. We do this by building transformative infrastructure, creating sustainable value that is ensured across the generations to come. The park is expected to generate over 1,500 jobs, contributing to local employment, skill upgradation, and economic growth in the region. We are also creating opportunities for local, small and medium enterprises to thrive as part of our supply chain ecosystem. At Adani Logistic Park, our focus is clear: talent, technology, and the warehousing, and we call it TTW. In today's fast-paced world, we have grown accustomed to the instant demand, instant delivery reality. That kind of speed and precision isn't a magic. It is the result of talent, technology, and the strategically placed warehouses. And this is one of the warehouses which is very strategically placed. Kochi is becoming a hub for this transformation. With companies like Flipkart, who have already joined us, we will be seeing the TTW very soon, where the innovation will meet the execution. The logistic park is not just about storage, it's about smart storage. We, as Adani Group, in Adani Ports and Logistics, we are moving away from traditional box-type storage to technology-driven storage ecosystem, and this is powered by a very mobile, talented manpower. This shift brings efficiency, responsiveness, and scalability to the businesses in the region. As we break ground today, we are laying the foundation for a future where logistics will be a competitive strategic advantage to every business in local as well as the global footprint. The Kalamassery Logistic Parks strengthens Adani Ports and Logistics growing network, now 21 across India, with a vision to expand to 30 parks and scale our footprint from 3.1 million square feet to 20 million square feet in the near future. We remain committed building world-class infrastructure that drives sustainability, connectivity, and contribute to the nation's progress. As Adani Ports and Logistics' first park in Kochi, it will offer a seamless end-to-end experience from gate entry to invoicing, ensuring zero-touch operations from enhanced customer experience. From Kalamassery to the nation, Adani Ports and Logistics is a truly integrated transport utility company which is shaping the future of logistics and powering India's industrial rise and redefining the world connects with the Kerala. As we gather here, I would like to take a moment to extend my warmest wishes in advance for Onam, heartiest Onam Ashamasakal to everyone. Thank you so much.